Hi, I'm Anne Autio and I lead the engagement services team here at Uberall. Today I'll be sharing how to use reviews to better connect with your customers this holiday season. So, first off, show some spirit by responding to your reviews with a personal touch. Nothing is worse than being ignored, so make sure you're responding to both your positive and your negative reviews. Keep your responses personal, keep them short, and show that you've read what a customer has said. And definitely add emojis or brand catchphrases to show some personality and show customers that you're not a bot. Two, get negative reviewers in touch with your team or that specific location as soon as possible. Your best chance of turning around a negative review is getting the customer in touch with someone within 24 hours. Make sure every response has an email address or a direct message channel that a customer can go to and take the conversation offline. Finally, round up those review trends. We definitely know that people are paying attention to the social media insights, but review insights are often overlooked and they're very, very important. So definitely take the time to see what your customers are saying in terms of your experiences and your offerings during the holiday season. Make sure that you're rounding up these insights on a quarterly or a monthly basis so your teams are aware what people are saying about their location or what they're saying in a certain region. It's definitely helpful to see if a trend applies to just one location or many. So I hope you found these pro tips useful. If you have questions or want to share what's worked for you, drop them down in the comments below and stay warm. Thank you.